Hey, what's up guys? So, just want to share with you this tool that I just recently discovered. And itong tool na to, this can supercharge our B2B cold outreach. So, ano nga ba yung name ng tool na to? So, I'm already presenting it. So, the name of the tool is Clay. And itong tool na to, this has different use cases, meaning marami siyang gamit. And ang pinaka-value proposition niya is we can scale personalized outreach with this tool. So, ano nga ba yung mga pwedeng gawin dito sa tool na to? So, una, pwede tayong mag-import or mag-create ng target list within the platform. So, para siyang list building tool. Alright? Second use case naman is consolidated data enrichment. So, that means na if you have a list of companies or list of people, pwede mong i-enrich yun and hanapin yung mga data na kailangan mo like email addresses, domain, description of the company. You can do that with this platform. And the best part about using this platform is that this is connected with multiple data enrichment tools through integration. So, meaning, pag nag-enrich ka ng data, hahanapin niya yung data na kailangan mo with the help of this enrichment tools na connected din sa Clay. Very powerful yung data enrichment na meron si Clay. Next, AI research agent. So this is my favorite because we can replace manual research workflows with AI agent. So this means na lahat ng mga kailangan mong i-research, for example, you want to research kung ano ba yung product na ino-offer nung company or ano ba yung recent post ni prospect doon sa LinkedIn niya, pwede mong utusan si AI na gawin yon para sa'yo. So, kaya ang main value proposition niya dito is replace manual research workflows with the AI agent. So, the name of the AI agent is Clayagent, which we are also going to talk about sa separate video. And then, another use case is that you can automate your outreach. So, yung cold email tool na ginagamit mo, pwede mo siyang i-integrate with Clay. And yung integration na yon is magiging bridge siya para ma-transfer mo yung data mo or yung data from your spreadsheet papunta doon sa outreach tool mo. So really amazing because this is going to simplify your outreach process. And then, yeah, so ito yung use case and ito yung naman yung mga data providers ng Clay. So I don't want to confuse you with this introduction to Clay video, but you know, there are a lot of tools na connected kay Clay. Also, they have a lot of resources here that can help you better understand Clay, like Clay University. Marami silang mga videos dito about enrichment, personalization, or kung paano mo pwedeng gamitin yung Clay. They also have the blog, go-to-market blog, and meron din silang separate section for integrations. So let's talk about cost naman. So magkano nga ba tong Clay? So if we're going to go to the pricing, we are going to see yung different plans nila. Okay? So, they offer free plan. 0. It's free nga yan, no? So, with the free plan, you are going to get 100 credits per month. Okay? So, pwede mong magamit yung 100 credits per month ng libre with no credit card required. And then they also have the Starter, Explorer, Pro Plan, Enterprise. So, pwede kang pumili based on your need or based on your client's need. So for individuals, they have the starter, which is $149 only for 2,000 credits. But if you would like to make it 3,000 credits, that's gonna be $229. So may mga option pa dito na nakalagay sa drop down. Okay. And if you need to go for custom plan naman, or if your client needs more 150,000 credits, then you want to contact Clay to get an enterprise pricing. Okay. So, how to sign up naman? So, very simple lang yung process nila on how to sign up. All you have to do is just to click on this button, sign up button. And then, it's gonna take you to this page. Welcome to Clay. Alright. So, there are two options to sign up. You can either sign up with Google. Okay. And then select the email account that you would like to use for the sign up process, or another option is to enter your full name here and then your email address, then hit continue. Okay? So, if you choose itong pangalawang option, it's gonna ask you to verify your email. All you have to do is just to go to your email account, click on the verify link, and you will be able to access your Clay account. So, as an example, I'm going to select itong sign in with Google, and I'm going to sign up using one of my email accounts na nandito. So, I'm going to use my personal email, which is erickson@leadsassassin.com. Okay. So, I already have an account, and ayan, it took me dito sa dashboard ko. It's the first time na nag-login ka sa Clay. You're not gonna see any tables. Ito lang yung makikita mo, the Clay Starter Workflow Table. Okay? So, that's pretty much it for the introduction of Clay. I hope you get value, and in the next lesson, I'm going to discuss integrations.